welcome to my week in my life vlog. I'm actually about to be leaving to get my lips done and Botox, so we're gonna do that together, my annual appointment. I was about to unbox this before I left and I was like, no, I'm doing this on the vlog. So cute. Shut up. You all know how much I love skincare. The skincare routine's about to pop off even harder. Oh, you know when a product just feels like money? Anyways, let's head out.
Are we doing top and bottom?
Yeah. Have you been? How was life?
How was your trip to Italy?
Oh my god, this is fucking awesome.
Alright, just hang tight, okay?
Thank you. My lips are so numb right now.
Like nighttime now.
Now I want to go to bed and it's 5 p.m.
Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Box party.
Oh, we're doing Botox too.
Oh, you are?
Yes.
You're refreshed.
Oh my god, thanks for having me. Yes. Oh my god, not my injector hooking me up. I was supposed to spend, oh my god, not me trying to talk right now. I was supposed to spend way more money than I did. I get to the checkout and they're like, it's only this amount. I said, Hunter, did you just hook me up? He said, yes, we did. I literally can barely talk to you guys right now, but that was so sweet. That literally made my life. You guys have to go see them. I know I talk about them every single time I get my lips done, but like literally if you are in the area, even if you're not in the area, if you are an hour away, if you are 2 hours away, drive your happy little ass over to Edgewater, Florida. Go see my girl CJ and go see my boy Hunter. Tell them that I sent you. Like, this is what my lips look like immediately after. And they still look so good. Like, obviously they're swollen and I'm numb and I can barely talk, but like, girl, they also give me Botox, but like, that was literally so sweet. That was some real lucky girl syndrome type shit right there. Okay, we're back home. I look ridiculous. Like, here, let's get some better lighting so you can see just how ridiculous I look. This is, okay. I can't even laugh because my lips are so swollen and they're so numb. Anyways, I usually like to treat myself after I get my lip filler and my Botox done. I just kind of sit on the couch and watch TV and act like I got a serious surgery done or something, but I actually need to edit today's video because it is Wednesday. So I need to finish editing. If you're watching this, the video is already up. I'll link it here. It's my beauty maintenance routine, the whole deal, Camille. That has no business being that delicious. Oh my god, my lips. Okay, time for breakfast. Oh, I love the sun. Ooh, and now we got Steely Dan. Oh, it's a good day. I already know this is fire. I make this like quite often. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Mmm, so good. Yum. Well, we're docking up. Hello. This is the first time my lips don't look incredibly insane. They're still swollen. After like 9 more days, they're going to look how they're gonna look for the majority of the year. Anyways, I still look insane because I have a fresh layer of cell tanner on. I mean, you know the vibes. It's beauty maintenance day, okay? So I'm marinating in my tanner. I'm also starving. Today is Monday, and Mondays are just like, well, if I have the opportunity for them to be, they're very slow in my house. Like I do chores I didn't get to on Sunday for my Sunday reset. Usually have a lot of emails to go through, so I'm just doing like a bunch of admin work. Sometimes I'll do my beauty maintenance routine. So I did all that. I have laundry running right now. It's like pretty late into the afternoon, honestly. Like it's 4:34 p.m. I had a later breakfast also, but I figured we would just pick up with the what I eat in a day today. This is like realistically what I eat for lunch is a meal prep because I definitely have undiagnosed ADHD. And sometimes I forget to eat because like I'm doing other things, or like I'll make my whole to-do list and I'll forget to put lunch in there. So then I overbook myself. I don't have a lot of time to like sit down and make food. So meal prepping just like saves lives. Also, anything that just saves me time is amazing in general. Let's work smarter, not harder. You know what I mean? It's such a gloomy day today. I actually love it when Mondays are gloomy because I usually have like a slower day. But anyways, I meal prepped some mahi a few days ago, so I'm having my last one. This is a portion of my lunch. This is dinner time for some people. Garlic mahi with some roasted peppers. There's like a little soy lemon glaze on top, and then this is lemon butter rice. Here's today's lunch. This one isn't that aesthetically pleasing, but meal preps rarely are, let's be for real. Yum, yum, yum. Can I film? Okay, hello. Yes, hello. Okay. Oh my god, that's my husband. Hi, baby. I know, I just went out to get the mail. I had to put a raincoat on. How was work? Oh, good. Okay, well, I'm filming the rest of my vlog, so. Okay, love you. Right when I sit down to do this. Anyways, I rinsed off my self tanner, and I had every intention of going to the gym this evening. Like, I really wanted to do an evening workout, but obviously it's literally 10:23 p.m. right now, so I'm not doing that. I wanted to unbox some packages. This is absolutely ridiculous. This is like consumer core as fuck, but honestly, I only purchased one of these items. The rest of them are like collaborations or stuff for like TikTok shop affiliate things, you know. Okay, let's start here. I bought myself this. I saw somebody wearing it on Instagram and I was like, that must be mine. It's so cute. Hi, baby.
Hello.
This is so sick. It's like a clear pot. It's much smaller than I thought though. It's so little. I'll link all these for you guys. I'm so excited. This is PR from Jisoo. Jisoo, I think that's how you say it. Ooh, what am I looking at? Okay, it's like the OG hair oil. Slay. Wow, they won an Allure Beauty Award. That right there, that little stamp. If I see something on Sephora.com or anywhere on the internet that I'm buying for the first time and I'm like a little skeptical about it, if I see this little guy, I will purchase it. We're not done yet. Are these my slippers? You guys, I have the worst slippers right now. Like, please. They're flat. They're not that comfy. They just keep my feet kind of warm. Like, not even. But I've had them for years and I've never upgraded them, and I've desperately needed to because you guys know me. I'm a homebody, okay? I stay at the house. I like to be cozy as fuck. Look at what is replacing them. So cute. Yo, these are so comfy. Yo. And they're so cute. I'm wearing these right now. Look at how cute they are. Guys, these are so comfy. Stop it right now. Ooh, ooh. I'm obsessed. Alexa, set an 18-minute rice timer. weekends. I've just been filming for hours, but I'm glad. I needed to do it. Anyways, this is like the state of my room right now. I guess this is gonna be the outro. I hope this wasn't a super boring vlog. This was just like a very realistic week in my life. Also, this is the best thing ever created. I will link it for you, and I'm wearing my new slippers. I'm obsessed with them. Anyways, before you guys head out, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not a part of the fam yet. Join the fam. I post new videos every Wednesday, sometimes Thursdays. If you like this video, you'll love these, so definitely check these out. I need to tear down all these lights in my room and start winding down for the evening because I feel like after filming I just get like jazzed up. I think it's all the lights. I don't know. Anyways, I love you guys so much. I'll see you next week. Bye.